What's up, y'all? If you watched the last episode of this, we were launching a completely different product, Awaken Ambience. We made the landing page, which is at awakenambience.com, so you can join the waitlist for that. But 2 days ago, I made this post about Chaos Coder. Actually, 1 day ago, yesterday, and it's now at 100,000 views and quite a lot of reshares, retweets, comments, and likes. So this was just kind of like a bit of a meme, but judging by the attention, I think there could be something here. So I'm gonna pivot from Awaken Ambience, put a pin in that, and work on this Chaos Coder for maybe another week or so. At least this stream, so we'll see where we get to with that. But yeah, that was the intro, and now I'm just gonna set up, so bear with me here. Yo, Lokesh, what's up? I'm just setting up chat now, so I can read it. While we do stuff, we'll have it here. There we go. Let's go, Beardman. Yes, sir. And I'll set up TikTok. TikTok's banned in India, yeah, I know that. But a lot of my Indian following for short form is on Instagram, also YouTube as well. I'm on. Yeah. So no fear, you can still view all the content. Okay. OG follower, yes you are, Lokesh. Appreciate you. I'll put myself here. How's that? Okay, looks pretty good. So yeah, Chaos Coder. This is it. It's live, chaoscoder.net. And I think what I'm going to try to do this stream is add a paywall and a sign up system. I think I want to try with Superbase. Maybe like what? Maybe we'll do some research with Perplexity to see like what some options are. Because like I want a database to store users, user data. It's gonna be a simple database. Yes, you're right. The internet gets shit again. Oh boy. It's hold on. Hopefully I think the router's just moved. Oh, got unplugged. Give me a sec. Okay, there we go. Yeah, we should be back. Night, Lokesh. Yeah, alright, we're good. just a brief outage. Yo, Josh B, what's good? How y'all doing? Hold up. I think, okay, we're back. Oh, there's Wi-Fi, yes, always. No, it's the home Wi-Fi. We good here? What about X? I wonder, since like this post is kind of trending on X, if we ever get viewers here. Yeah, looks pretty good. X, TikTok. Yeah, okay. I think we're good now. So yeah, I was using Grok because it's super fast. But oops, I accidentally clicked simple chatbot. But the rate limits are quite small, especially for something where I'm generating 9 different prompts in one. Now, oh, thank you for the gifts, guys, to you and Ronald. Now, there's plenty of ways we can optimize this. So right now, this is like 9 different LLM calls. I was thinking if we had just one LLM call generate like maybe 2 or 3 different responses, different like web apps in one prompt. That's a potential solution, but obviously I think quality would deteriorate. So yeah, I think initially I'm just gonna add a background, not a background, a paywall, a database, and do I still have that? Here's my database query. A database and a paywall, yeah. My coffee tastes like dish soap. It's not good. SQLite. I don't know if we can do SQLite with Next.js. These are like types of databases rather than, I don't know, low-key, I think I want to try Superbase. Like, what are the steps? Actually, let's ask this in how do I bring this? Hold on. Up here. All right, this is Aider and Aider and VS Code. And gonna load Aider with Gemini and add like the results page, routes page, add like a lot of stuff here. What other pages? Like I don't like this format of like how in some React projects they name the folder the name, but the actual like file is just called page.tsx. I'm not a big fan of that. Main thing about Supabase is to understand the row level security policies. Yeah, I don't have a full grasp of that just yet either. Let's see, sign up. I have a sign up modal. See, look, like when I look at the results here, if I did like a search, it's just like, especially if I had it collapsed, it's like page txx, you know, it doesn't really tell me. I have to like read the file path to determine what the actual file is. Like sign up modal, sign up page. You know, I might just try one-shot prompt this with R1. To integrate Supabase. I think it's possible. Like it shouldn't, in my head, it shouldn't be too complex. So let's also launch Aqua Voice so we can just speak what we want. Oh, we're getting an update. What are your thoughts on Ada versus Claude Code? Yeah, I think Claude Code is like an actual agent, so you can kind of leave it to do stuff more. Whereas Ada is more of an assistant, and like Ada has a lot of different other features that you can manually interact with your code base. Like there's like ask, and actually I don't know if Claude Code has that, and like changing models and stuff. Whereas Claude Code is like pretty much configured to work specifically with Claude. Yeah. Free, thanks for the follow. What are we building? We're building, I guess, while this is downloading, I'll show you. Chaos Coder. This web app here, you put in a prompt and it gives you 9 separate websites in seconds. That was what we were doing. Actually, while this is doing, I'm gonna be right back in like 2 minutes. I'm just gonna change out the coffee. Still updating. I wonder if it still works. Nope. Sorry, we can use Ada also has /voice. We want to integrate Supabase as a database to store users, enabling sign up through email or Google authentication. I think that's a pretty good starting prompt. Anyway, Superbase. Yeah, see, that's, I guess, one thing that maybe Aquavoice would do better is having these specific words like Superbase. Yo, Noah, what's up? Oh, there we go, Aqua. Finally updated. I know, I didn't get Grok sorted. They ignored us, dude. They ignored us. Let's see if I can bring this here. Nope. That did not work. Oh boy. Discord. Oh, Ader also released on Product Hunt just now. But yeah, no one responded to... Oh? No, still. And yeah, I didn't get a response from the form I submitted either. I think they were busy pushing Quen 32B, it seems. Do I have a Telegram community? I don't. I have a Discord community. Did I set up OpenRouter? I did have OpenRouter as a fallback, yeah, but not. It doesn't hit Grok though. Do I know C#, Visual Studio, or Android Studio? Not too well. Yo, Anest, what's up? I'm building a chaoscoder.net at the moment. I might make a TikTok about it, but keep doing demos. Chaoscoder.net. Build a website saying how cool Anest is. Generates 9 separate sites that you can iterate off if you don't hit the rate limits. Boom. But then it's like, what would the next step be here? It's something I need to brainstorm. Okay. npm install Superbase. Now, I don't think this is going to do it in the right directory, unfortunately, so I'm going to say run cd next.js web app and then do that. This is next.js. Okay. So now, like, how do I run it? How can I test this Superbase integration? Next.js with TypeScript. That's correct, LJ. I wouldn't say I'm rich. I'm not poor either. Oh, we got some hackathons from DevPost. trying to move some things around here. Asian Salesforce hackathon with 140k prizes. Hack Reddit. Create a new game or experience for the Reddit community. Ooh. This looks fun. Deadline 27th of March. Build it on Devit, the Reddit developer platform. Oh, interesting. Like, so it's like little widgets within Reddit posts? It's pretty crazy. Free hosting, in-app purchases. Okay. All right, let's see. Integrate Supabase. We need a key, anon key, and project URL. Create an account. Test the sign up flow. Enter the modal. Google OAuth, email magic link. All right, let me manually integrate Supabase. Oh, Fenos, thanks for the follow. Morning, Bella. 20% of YC is vibe coding. Yo, sports betting site made with ChatGPT, nice. Alright, I'm gonna create a Supabase project here. Chaos Coder. I'm not gonna leak any of the passwords. Yo. All right. Now. Damn, this window manager really sucks on external monitors. Okay, so what does it say? I need the anon key and the project URL. Okay, I think it's these. Pretty sure these are public, so I can leak them and it's fine. Although I don't know what else in the .env. I probably have some API keys that I don't want to leak. Yes, I did. Just gonna add these here. Although, like, I feel like maybe I shouldn't leak these because then anyone could integrate with my database now. If it's just these two. Probably. Alright, luckily that doesn't show the whole thing. Okay, I added those keys. And then we just test the flow, supposedly. Yeah, this is a MacBook. No, I don't know math. Can you explain pagination in simple terms? Yeah, so let me explain pagination. You think of it like a book, right? If you were to lay down every single word in a book, like a really long book, it'd be like this. And if you were to have it on one page, it'd be a really long ass page. But obviously, like, you know, that wouldn't be very efficient. So what pagination does is break up the big ass book into pages so you can consume them on one view, one screen at a time. And instead of scrolling down one massive page, you just click to go to the next page, to the next page. And it's, you know, pages. Pagination, pretty simple. I think that explains it, right? Yeah, I got an iPhone and an Android. Yeah, PCs are great for a lot of stuff. Okay. So R1 gave me, looks like a basic syntax error. I wonder what we can do is run run the front end through Ada. That way we actually get the errors in the console here, hopefully. Yep. And we can be like this. What's wrong? Fix. User tech, I'm sorry, you're asking too many questions. I can't answer all of them. So pick one. I mean, I did answer quite a lot of them. All right, just gonna fix that syntax error. I also signed up to Cohere API because they got pretty fast, like the second fastest on this leaderboard here. Our server, oh no, sorry, not Cohere, Samba Nova. Oh wait, what? No, actually I signed up to Cohere, but I meant to sign up to Samba Nova. Is that the same thing? No, it's not. Am I tripping? But yeah, anyway, Samba Nova 1B at 2,000 tokens per second. Very good. Yo, Sohail, what's up? Building chaoscoder.net. Making the Matrix. Okay, let's see if this works now. Nice. All right, we got it running locally without errors. I think we should also add a sign up. add login and sign up buttons on the landing page. There we go, Aqua Voice working now. This is TypeScript with Next.js. Not that it really changes anything, because I'm just interacting through a coding AI that handles all the language for me. Yes. What AI is that? This is Aider with R1, DeepSeek R1. Hey Shiro, what's up? I'm trying to add like a Supabase integration to this web app at the moment. The voice to text is Aqua Voice. Energy making you tired? Yeah. That's my bad. We chill like that. It'd be better if I was more intense. You'd love to make chaos on your phone? Yeah, you can. Just go to chaoscoder.net. It's free at the moment. And yeah. Just type in your prompt. Now there are some rate limits. I might hit it. I've tried it. I don't know, it's worked pretty fast. But yeah, it's just using a really basic like 1B model here. So don't expect the most beautiful sites. I should get some sun. Yeah, I should. It's still early. I'll be getting out later. And this R1 is so slow to respond. What else? You guys see Windsurf V4 is out? Is it V4? I think I saw it on X. Oh, finally we got Quen benchmarks. 21%. Yeah, you know, I'm not too surprised that it's nowhere near as good as R1. Yeah, like it'd be so difficult to get a 32 parameter model as good as a 600B model, I feel. Oh yeah, the open router multi-chat thing. It's good. Total cost. How come there's only total cost on 3 of them? It's kind of confusing. No? Damn, R1 didn't even respond. Yo, Dan Pergs, what's up? We're building Chaos Coder .dev.net, sorry. It's kind of like, you know, Bolt Lovable, etc., but it'll spin up 9 separate websites in one prompt. Hopefully, if I don't hit rate limits. Which looks like I'm not going to hit rate limits. You think cursor is faster? Faster than what? I mean, obviously, yeah, I mean, if you talk about R1's response here, it's not like Ada's fault, it's like if we switch model to, I don't know, what's something fast? Haiku. Or Flash. Let's use Flash. This is cheap. Here. This will be. What the hell? Wait. Alright, this. Boom. See? That was like less than 3 seconds, supposedly, to add the login buttons. Let's see if it worked. We gotta run it. No errors. But yeah. Which model is building the sites? So I have a few fallbacks, but they're just 1 billion parameter models. So I'm using Portkey to like handle fallbacks. But yeah, we got Llama 3.21b as the main attempt, and then Gemini Flash 8b, and then GPT-4o Mini. Just like super cheap models just to have something, you know. Unfortunately, yeah. There's like the issue of rate limits. Alright, let's see if Gemini fixed this. I wonder if we get the Quen on... Oh, the login and sign up is here. Nope, 404. And the sign up has an issue. Alright, we're gonna undo. Let's see if we can get open router. Quen32b. Oh, it's a free version. Say add a login and sign up button to the top of the landing page. Ensure that they properly flow onto the correct flows to enable Google Auth or email Auth. What's the CLI? It says, yeah, Aider. How are you using Gemini Flash in Aider? You just go /model and pick Gemini Flash. Damn, Quentin's taking a bit slow to respond as well. I guess there's only one provider. Could be an open router thing. Check my. Let's see if maybe I've used all my credits. Have I tried Cursor? Yep. What type of tasks am I using? I honestly don't use Flash that often. That was just like to kind of show that, you know, I could have something faster. I do use the other Gemini. Like, I think 1206 was the best for coding. And yeah, I used it when I needed like a really large context window, and I just asked questions for it. I wouldn't like try to code with it. Not a fan of Cursor? No, I think Cursor's great. I've just gotten used to Aider now, and it's cheaper. The login and sign up goes here. Not the best. Not exactly what I wanted. Then again, I'm probably giving it the wrong files as context. So like a planner, kind of. I don't really even get it to architect or plan. More just like asking questions about like where stuff exists or how stuff is implemented. I did use architect mode a bit with O3 and R1, but I kind of stopped. I very briefly did it. 500 Claude 3.7 requests is more expensive than $20. Yeah, probably, especially with large context. Yeah, you're right there. And you get all these lower model requests for free. Yeah, you raise a good point, Dan. Is there a good free project planner? AU. What do you mean by that? AI. Project planner? What's a project planner? Like just ChatGPT or Claude? You can give me 3 months free if I want another go at Cursor. That'd be pretty good. Yeah, if you give me 3 months free, I'd definitely use Cursor. Yo, thanks for the gifts, Daryl. Oh, you're one of the devs. Nice, dude. Hell yeah. No, Cursor for sure. It's like the best, I think, for most people. I just also like supporting open source. I think that's another reason why I've been using Aider. I don't know, I feel like this Quen model sucks, to be honest. Alright, let's use Cursor for Dan. I think I probably have a free, the 3 month. I don't think I've used it at all in March. Probably have to update it. Let's see what happens. How do you update this? Or is it already updated? 4.29. Have I tried 3.7? Yeah, I have. It's just quite expensive. 4.6. Okay, so I'm almost to the latest version. Oh, we gotta follow. Shout out whoever that was. Dan the Comp Sci Man. It's a pretty cool name. Oh, you're on Twitch now. Oh, I just realized I scrolled up. If I deploy DeepSeek R1 600B locally, can I use it with cursor? I think so. I think if you go... Actually, I'm not sure. Oh yeah, here. Yeah, you just change your base URL to wherever you're hosting it, and make sure you're hosting it through a OpenAI compatible API. And I'm pretty sure you can use your local. Hey, shit, Lazy joined for 6 months. Thank you, Lazy. Appreciate you, bro. Yeah, pretty sure you can use local models with cursor if you wanted. You're at 46.9 now, okay. How do I update? It didn't work. Oh yeah, it worked, okay. All right. 4x dev, which is previously what it was called. All right, let's try to get this. Let's try to get this sign up to work. Could we go agent mode? Oh shit, you got Claude Sonnet thinking as well. I think we could just use normal Claude. I know cursor indexes your database. I mean your code base. So let's just make sure that. I think, do you still do that? Yeah, okay, yeah. Here, so then, I mean, it just makes my life easier if I can go at code, right? Oh no, that's not even something you do anymore. Okay, they changed that. You used to be able to go at code base, right? But now it's like shift enter or something. That's an old version? Okay, it's still an old version? Whoops, about this, am I? Oh, you're right. What the hell? I swear I tried to update. Should I just download it from download the installer? I'm just gonna download the installer. Agent doesn't need code base, it adds it on its own. Oh, sweet. What was the speech to text thing I used? Oh yeah, it's Aqua Voice. I just posted a video on it. It's pretty sick. It does like automatic context, formatting. So I can be like, bananas are cool. Wait, scratch that. Bananas aren't cool. And you see like, I said scratch that, so it like removed it, and then it can also do dot points. First point, this is the first dot point. Second point, this is the second dot point. Third point, this is the third dot point. That's pretty cool, and it has like deep context, so it can like see your screen and like boost transcription accuracy by reading the words on your screen. It doesn't work on my external monitor here, but like if you're in the code base and there's like specific variables and stuff, it can pick up on those and you just like speak them natural language. You can also add your own like words here in the dictionary, and also custom instructions. What kind of machine am I running all these LLMs on? I'm actually not running any of them, I'm just using APIs. I've also noticed it doesn't use MCP in agent mode, but edit mode uses them nearly every time. Interesting. It's probably like a system prompt thing. What's my favorite app that I use a lot? Chrome. Yeah, probably Chrome. But I mean, I know Chrome isn't the most loved. I'd probably use any web browser that I was used to. What's my tech stacks for the SaaS? Yeah, it's all just Next.js at the moment. Deployed on Vercel. I'm going to be integrating Supabase for the database this stream, hopefully. We'll see if Cursor can help me out. We're just downloading the latest version, I hope. 6 minutes to go. What about Slack? I do use Slack only because a certain client and also a few communities, but I don't use it that much. I use Discord a lot more than Slack. I'm also going to be at NVIDIA GTC. I don't know if anyone in the chat's going to that. I don't actually know what to expect. I think this is the big one, the keynote by Jensen. Rise of the Humanoids. Am I live on Discord as well? I'm not. But yeah, join my community, links at techfriend.net. Have I got anything good in my public repo? There's some stuff I need to update. I need to update this page, but oh man, this is so old. Well, Dan, I had Cursor as number 1 here. Wait, no. Oh, I did at one point. We're still in the number 1 section. Well, my exponent. I gotta remove this. I really need to update my website here. It's just so outdated. When did I last update this? December 4. Not too bad. My GitHub is AJ47. You can find Chaos Coder there. So Awaken Ambience. Can I pin this as well? I don't know, man. I have a lot of repos. They're all like kind of half-baked. Landscape vid to portrait. Redid yours with Cursor. It took 2 hours. Nice. Yeah. You see you shared your web page. Which one of those are you working on? None of them. At the moment I'm working on this one. Chaos Coder. You simply enter your prompt and it will generate 9 different versions of that website in less than a few seconds. Let me show you a quiz about Pokemon types. Yo, Hertzfeld, what's up? Good to see someone pulling through on Twitter. Alright, cursor almost downloaded. Almost 10 seconds. 8 seconds. What language? English. But yeah, normally like TypeScript or JavaScript frameworks. Did that work? I don't know if that worked. What version is it? No, 4.5. Wait, unless the installer is 4.5. That could be the case. It's probably likely the case. To double check, I think I can open applications, delete the old cursor. Wait, what? Because it's open. Delete the old cursor, add the new cursor. And then open the new cursor. .68. Okay, that's close, right? That's pretty close to the latest version, Dan. I'd hope. You said, I think you said 4.69. I mean 46.9. I think 46.8. I mean, this does look like the newer UI. Ooh. Agent, ask, or edit. Okay, awesome. Am I fasting? No, I'm not. Let's should I check the, you still do the indexing? Yes. Nothing, I don't know if that matters. 4.69 is still rolling out. Yo, Tino, what's up? Add Claude 3.7, add login buttons in Agent. Am I Persian? Yes. Okay. All right, we got Claude 3.7, agent mode. Complete the login and sign up functionality. There should be buttons on the landing page to sign up and log in with email or Google Auth. Super base. Okay. Use MCP. Which MCP? What's my account email? It's probably a rash at apricot. How do I check? Yeah, this one. Can you see this? I'll make it bigger. This. Appreciate you, Dan. Browser tools, MCP. Yeah, is that the one that can like read console errors and stuff? Does Cursor already have that inbuilt? I feel like it might. Abby, what's up? We're building chaoscoder.net. This is a web app that generates 9 different websites in seconds. with a prompt. So I'm going to say make it at website for Abby CVK, and hopefully it will generate 9 different versions of it. And I'm just using a 1B model, but it's super fast. And then, I don't know, this is just the base. What I'm doing right now is with Cursor Agent, we are trying to finish off the user database integration with Supabase. So you can see here, Cursor Agent's actually running some commands in my terminal to make folders, reading files, installing the npm modules. What did I ask it to do? My prompt was complete the login and sign up functionality. There should be buttons on the landing page to sign up and log in with email or Google Auth. Supabase. Yes, you can also fix UI issues. Awesome. Awesome, we got Pro. Shout out to Dan Perks. Hell yeah, yes. It does say Pro. That is pretty cool. Schedule it to cancel in 3 months so you'll have the chance. So you scheduled it, so I'll have to change it if I want to keep going Pro. Yeah, no problem. Why not 10x? Why not 11? Yeah, no, it's a good question. I think it actually is 10x, even though I said it 9. The reason I picked 9 is because it's what fits in the UI. It's like 3 by 3 views, and that's just what fits in one singular view. But yeah, I mean, why not 10? Why not 50? That could be what we pay for. Oh, that's actually a good idea. So like, I need a paywall something, right? So what if we just have on the free tier, you only generate 3, and then it's like the rest are like kind of grayed out. But if you pay for Pro, you get as many as you want. You want to cut for these? Did I create the Cursor agent? No, I wish. This is the Cursor team, and Dan Perks in the chat, who is one of the devs who just gifted me Pro. Make a scroller between the sites in full screen, like scrolling through Instagram images. A scroller between the sites. Oh, right, so have all of them in full screen. Yes. Oh, hit resume. Like accept all, you mean? Is there a way to go like YOLO mode? That was the thing, right? YOLO. Oh, I do have YOLO mode on. Oh, you stop at 25 rule calls. Read the last thing in chat. We default. Okay, you can resume by clicking this. Sorry. It's a rule of vibe coding is you don't read. You just press buttons. Thanks, Dan. I appreciate the guidance. Okay, so that's like a hard limit thing we can't change, right? That 25. Bro, this web search is so good. This is one of the features that Cursor had before like anyone. And I think, I don't know, still like not many tools have that inbuilt. To be able to like go at web, and it actually does like kind of like a perplexity type search. Super cool. MCP servers, do they have? Oh, interesting. Is this like servers that I have already installed? fill out a name and the command. Interesting. Call 3.7 is aggressively creative. It's probably overcoding. Yeah, I've heard. I've heard people on X, it just goes off and like does its own thing. So yeah, it's probably best that I do look over it. Sign up modal, that looks good. We do need a sign up modal. What page is that on? It's another issue I have with how this project's set up is page. Everything is just called page.tsx. You actually have to read the folder name to know what component it is. Still very cool. 3.5 is best for large code bases. 3.7 is best for fast, high volume changes or creativity. Okay, thanks for the tip. That's just React for you. No, when I make a React project, I actually name the pages what the component is called. I'm pretty sure you can do that. Yeah, like look right here. See, React. This is still the same project, but Claude is smart enough to know to name the component, the actual name of the component instead of page.tsx. Like you can do that in React, and you should. I don't know why like some people or some creator kits or like some starter CLIs like just call the stuff like page.tsx. Am I using chat mode or composer mode? So if I'm not mistaken, they've combined chat and composer into one, and the way you change between them is like agent mode or ask mode or edit mode. Is that right, Dan? So there's not really a distinction between composer and chat anymore. It's like agent and ask and edit. Could be wrong there, but that is my presumption. Why are we so dead on YouTube? I missed the message by Dennis. Do you mind sharing how much you spend on all your services? I've been paying for Perplexity and Cursor, but scared to start using LLM APIs with something like Cursor or Aider. Yeah, I mean, as we've just determined, I think like, especially if you're using under the 500 requests or about 500 requests, Cursor would actually probably be cheaper for Claude 3.7. I don't pay for Perplexity. Yeah, I just pay for API usages, and I'd say I'd probably spend, I don't know, maybe around like 50 to 100 a month on API. Maybe less. I don't know. Probably less than 100, but probably more than 20. All right. So it's this accept all. It's like made the changes and ran it, but what does the accept do then if it's already saved the file changes? I don't know. All right, let's see. Okay, we got some syntax errors here, and I'm just gonna accept this, and it has this in the context, this terminal, so I think I could just be like fix the error. And it should continue, right? Yeah, it's combined now. Agent is the best, but edit is like old composer. And ask is just like chat. Yeah, sweet. Yeah, I use ask a lot in Aider as well, because just the other system prompt makes it always want to edit files. So if you just want to ask a question without editing files, the ask mode can be pretty good. I assume the same thing would be with cursor. Let me bring up this chat here because I think that's what. There we go. Or actually, we can do. Trying to get the chat in Chrome. Try to use Superbase so you don't have it installed. I do, I think. Is that what the issue was? Oh, let's see. Let's see what it says. Module not found. Oh, I suppose you're right. What was the? Let's see if I can find the npm install command here. Definitely ran it. Or should I let it try debug? I'm gonna let it try debug this. Should I close that maybe? Debug. Didn't install the SSR package. Oh, okay, so it's like a separate one that it didn't install. Oh shit, I have a meeting in 10 minutes. God damn. Alright, 10-minute challenge. Shortly, it's just one more pip install. Oh no, it's changing the library. Instead of SSR, it's using auth helper. We're trying to use SSR as uninstall. Instead, we have auth helper. Let's update the client. Sure. Why not? I mean, if it works, it works, right? Oh, okay, no more errors. Oh, perfect. And the login and sign up is really nicely. Oh, yes. Shout out Cursor and Claude 3.7. Oh, that's way nicer, dude. All right, we're going to be using Cursor a lot more in the next 3 months at least. Thank you so much to Dan Perks for hooking us up. Absolute legend. Yeah, I mean, there's no doubt Cursor is going to be leading the AI coding tools race. They have a lot of momentum, a lot of funding, and it just keeps getting better every day. So yeah, really pleased with that. And yeah, I think it actually works out to be cheaper because yeah, $20 a month with 500 Claude Sonnet 3 API calls is quite a lot. I wonder if we can check like our usage. Before you had to go to the website to check that. Is that still the case? Oh, I assume that's still the case. What was the size? Like Cursor usage. Dashboard. Where is that? Give me a link. Bruh. Dashboard, cursor. Huh? Dan, what's the link here? From your dashboard. Just give me the freaking dashboard link, bro. Maybe I gotta log in. That could be the issue. I'm not logging. Okay. Alright, there we go. Here we go. No way, that was 3 requests? That can't be right. Because look, there's all these events. Willing to pay for extra speed. That's pretty interesting. But look, that's like all those events, I would have assumed those were separate API calls, but it seems they only count the messages you sent, which is super nice. That's kind of how Exponent worked as well. So yeah, that's super nice. So pretty much you get like 25 events, I guess, per request. Whereas when I'm using something like Aider, unless it makes the whole plan and executes the plan without interruption, every time it needs to update the plan or, you know, do something reactive based on output, that's a separate API call. So it actually ends up being even more expensive than Cursor because of that. So yeah, that's super awesome. Maybe use Grok 3. I actually haven't used Grok 3 at all. I definitely keen to check it out to see like the uniqueness there. All right. Thanks so much everyone for watching. I have to attend a meeting, but I think I actually got what we wanted done today, and that was, well, I assume, I actually haven't fully tested it out, but implementing Supabase into Chaos Coder. And yeah, we got Cursor set up. It's, yeah, looking really good. I think we'll be using Cursor quite a lot. Yeah, that's it for today. We have Grok 2 and Cursor and testing 3 internally. Okay, awesome. Yeah, thanks so much, Dan, for everything. And yeah, we will see everyone next time. Peace out.